Hello, and welcome back to the DBT Kingdom, where we learn about DBT skills and how they can help you on your journey to finding a life worth living. Today, we're going to be talking about the distress tolerance skill, STOP. STOP is one of the foundational skills in DBT that is often used with other strategies to lead to more effective coping. STOP is an acronym that stands for Stop, Take a Step Back, Observe, and Proceed Mindfully. To begin using the stop skill, you need to recognize your distress and stop yourself before responding with any unwanted or unhealthy behaviors. Then this is where you would pause and remove yourself from the triggering situation by taking a step back, even if it's only mentally, and give yourself a few moments before doing anything else. Then this is where you would observe what's going on in your surroundings and the situation. You look inward at yourself, at your feelings and thoughts. What are they saying? And how are those all combining together to lead to any automatic responses that you may be having? Finally, you proceed mindfully by deciding what the best course of action is for you, what coping skills are going to help most in this situation, and choosing to follow those strategies. This is where any other coping strategies that we will be learning about can be used to lead to more effective coping. I hope that this skill can provide some benefit to you, and if not, don't worry. Not all skills work for every person, and not all skills work in every situation. So remember to find what skills work for you, and if needed, you can always adapt these skills to fit your needs. There's no one true way to cope. And until next time, be well.